Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be heading north to Salt Lake City in beautiful 4K Ultra HD. But for our first time visitors, this video is part of my 9-day trip out to Utah and Colorado, so be sure to check out the other videos from this trip, which includes thousands of miles of dashcam footage just like this one, and videos of my visits to 5 amazing national parks. Well, right now we're heading towards Orem on US 189 from beautiful Bridal Veil Falls. Once we reach I-50 in Orem, we will head north towards the Salt Lake area. Once I-15 merges with I-80 in Salt Lake City, we will follow I-80 as it turns west towards the airport and Nevada to where this day and video will end near the airport. Also, if you didn't know, this video is the last part of my day's drive from Zion and Bryce Canyons National Park to Salt Lake City. If you like this video and the others from this day, you can easily support the creation of more content like this by just becoming a subscriber. And before you go, please make sure to leave a comment on what you thought about this video. If you have any questions or recommendations on places I should visit in the future. I love getting recommendations, ideas, or any kind of feedback from you all, so please keep it coming. So for now, while you're hopefully leaving that comment and or hitting that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, I'm going to continue this beautiful sunset drive on my way to beautiful Salt Lake City. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll be starting day 7 and our way towards home, which will take us back through Colorado. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.